Honorable Minister, was there a court order avoiding you to demolish the estate? Question number 2, if there was, why was it not obeyed? Wike should apologize to the Igbos for using the alleged derogating language. More importantly, Barrister Nyesom Wike, a lawyer, is now telling Nigerians that judges are now selling court orders. In a country where Nigerians relied on the judiciary in the last election, Barrister Nyesom Wike should, as a matter of urgency, also apologize to the judiciary, because we Nigerians are fully aware that Barrister Nyesom Wike is one of the highest beneficiaries of judiciary in Nigeria. Is he not telling us that he bought his own? He told Nigerians that there was no ministerial approvals for the said Asokoro land. But with me here is a copy of the ministerial approval, as you can see here. That shows that he, Wike, is lying. We also have copies of court orders. We have it here. We'll give to you to go and verify. These are copies of court orders that was served him. We also have copies of proof of service. That is to show that he was fully served with the stamp of his office. Everything is here. So we all can now see that a lot of irregularities and disregard for the rule of law is going on under Barrister Nyesom Wike's administration as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. What we are seeing here is just mere intimidation, hatred, and envy for the Igbo man, which was why he said the Igbos are everywhere. Well, he's right, but it's not our fault, because the Igbo man is a nation builder. And we cannot stop now because of Barrister Nyesom Wike and Ikweremano, who chooses to collect from an Igbo man and give to a Lebanese man. Oh, Chukwu nọkwa na-ekili o. Chukwu nọkwa na-ekili. Ndị Igbo anyị ọ dịnụ mma? Ọ dịrọ mma. We call on our father, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to call the FCT minister to order, because this is not the Renew Hope agenda we voted for. We are giving Barrister Wike 7 days ultimatum to issue a public apology to the Igbos or face the wrath of all Igbos and the gods of Igbo land. Thank you and God bless you. You can take questions.